welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Windows 11 on your Dell Latitude 7410 from USB. So in order to perform this operation you're gonna need USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of available storage on it, and also a separate device that you're gonna be using to download Windows 11 ISO image and putting it onto the USB flash drive. So the second device has to be connected to the network for that, yeah, that's basically it. Plug in the charging cable to your Dell computer and then insert your USB flash drive into your second device that we're gonna be using. Okay, so on your second device, open the web browser, open any search engine of your preference, and then search for Windows 11 ISO download. Now open the official Microsoft.com website that says download Windows 11, scroll down to download Windows 11 disk image for x64 devices, then select Windows 11 from the list, click confirm, wait until your request is validated, and then select the product language of your preference. Just expand this list and select value that you need, and then click confirm. You'll get this 64-bit download button right here. Click on it and wait. Select the directory for your image and let the Windows 11 download. In the meantime, we're also gonna need a program to boot our ISO image onto the USB flash drive, and the most popular option and also one of the most convenient ones are Rufus program. So just search it up on Google, open the official website, which is the Rufus.ie, then scroll down this page and find the downloads folder, downloads section, I'm sorry, and download the first version from the top that you see right here. Save it and then try to run it. It's gonna download almost immediately. So try to run it, and if this program opens up for you, that means that we just have to wait until the ISO image is downloaded. But if it doesn't run on your PC, just download this x86 version. So once your ISO image is downloaded, I already have on my computer one on my computer, so I'm not gonna need it. But once your ISO image is downloaded, in this Rufus program, what we're gonna have to do is select our USB flash drive from this devices list. Then click select next to disk or ISO image, and then select your ISO image. You don't have to change anything here. Everything should be alright by default. Just click start and make sure no checkboxes are checked in this menu. If there are any checkboxes, uncheck them. Click OK, and then the next thing that you're gonna need to do is click OK once again, and yeah, all data on your USB flash drive will be formatted. So I think it's a good time to tell you that if you have some private files on your USB flash drive, then right now just go to your USB flash drive and back them up somewhere else, because everything will be erased from your USB flash drive once you click OK. So once you back up your files, you can click OK and proceed with the booting process. Then you're just gonna have to wait until this status bar becomes turns green color and says ready. And once you see that it's filled with the green color and says ready, you can close this application and then safely remove your USB flash drive from your computer. After that, grab your USB flash drive with an ISO image on it and insert it into an available USB slot on your computer, or USB port on your computer, on your Dell computer, and power this computer on. And before it starts booting up, start repeatedly press the F12 button. At some point you will see entering boot mode notification in the top right corner of your PC. So now let's try this. Power it on and then start repeatedly press F12 button. And once you see preparing one-time boot menu notification here, you can stop pressing F12 button and you will see a screen like this. On the screen you can navigate using your up and down arrow keys. Select with the enter key. So this way we're gonna need to select one of the two available partitions. Just select, I usually go with the first one works. But if first one isn't working for you, just it will not boot. It will get you back to this same menu, and you're gonna have to select the second one in such case. So now let's select the first partition, and then let's wait until PC boots into the Windows installation menu. Okay, and this is the first window you can see in front of you in the Windows installation menu. Here you have, well, we already selected the language, so here you can also change time and currency format by expanding this list and selecting a different one if you'd like to. Then click next in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then check the checkbox next to I agree everything will be deleted from this PC. Then click next and wait for the license agreement to appear on your list. Then you're gonna have to, well, read it and click accept to continue the process. And on the next page we're gonna have to get rid of the old partitions on your computer. So you'll see the list of the 4 or 5 or maybe 6 partitions. And what we need to do is delete each one of them by selecting each partition and clicking delete. Alternatively, you can select a partition and press Alt-D combination of keys. This will do the same thing. And we're gonna be left with this much or maybe less or maybe more unallocated space. And now what we need to do is either click next if you want to have just one system disk on your computer. If you want to separate your storage into several different disks, like for example disk C and disk D, then in this menu you're gonna have to click create, select unallocated space, and then click create partition, and then provide the size in megabytes. Now the size in megabyte, this first partition, I recommend setting this size for the system disk first, so that you can later decide how much you want to use for each of other partitions of other disks on your computer. And for the system disk, it would be better if you select, if you want your system to work stably, then provide a value around 100,000 to 150,000 or more megabytes for the system disk. So I'm gonna use 150,000 megabytes and click apply. And right now this third partition is our system disk, so remember it. And we still have 800 gigabytes of unallocated space. So click select it, click create partition, and now you can either provide this size to create a second disk, like disk D, but you're gonna have to name it later. All right, so provide a value for a second disk, or just go with this value of what's left and click apply. But I'm gonna create 3 different partitions, or 3 different disks. I'm gonna provide 400, maybe 410,000 now megabytes. Then click apply, and we still have 406 gigabytes of unallocated space. So I'm gonna create another partition and just provide a default value from here. And right now we have 3 different partitions, so this will be 3 different disks on our computer. Though sometimes Windows doesn't name your disks automatically. So if you enter your file explorer after installing your Windows 11 and you will only see the system disk, that means that you're gonna have to go to disk mgmt, which is a system program on your computer, disk mgmt, and in disk mgmt select 4th and 5th partitions, right click them and select and add a letter to this disk. And once you add the letters to both partitions, they will be visible in your file explorer. But as I said, it doesn't happen like all the time. So sometimes Windows does it for you, sometimes it doesn't. So right now we're gonna have to select the 3rd partition, which is our system disk, then click next, then click install, and right now make sure that your device is connected to the power source, and just wait until Windows 11 is installed on your computer. Okay, and once you see the setup screen in front of you, that means that the Windows installation process is complete. Now you can eject the flash drive from your computer, and if you need some help with your setup, we have both videos on how to set up your PC with and without a Microsoft account. So you're highly welcome to check any of them out, and that's it for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.